Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how long does it take for the Tagry wireless earbuds to charge. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to see how long does it take for these to charge. Maybe you forgot them charged in the last night and you're wondering if you could take them on a whim. Now to answer your question, the Tagry wireless earbuds take about 1.2 hours to fully charge. With that though, what you're doing is that you're charging the case, and the case itself will charge the earbuds. Now the case itself is able to charge your earbuds for up to 60 hours of playback time. So with that being said, you will have 60 hours of playback time to play music on your earbuds without them actually losing battery. Now the really cool thing about the Tagry wireless earbuds case is that once you insert your earbuds into the case, it'll actually show you on the LED screen how much battery is left, and it'll also show you if it's charging either earbud. Now on the case you can see that there's 28% battery left, but I hope you found this video helpful guys as far as how long does it take for the Tagry wireless earbuds to charge. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions at all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.